Hello everyone. Have you ever thought about turning your daily shower into a romantic escape? Well, you're in for a treat. Today I'll share 3 fun and intimate things you can do in the shower with your partner. Let's dive right in and transform your shower time into something truly special. First up, setting the mood. Imagine stepping into a bathroom softly lit by the gentle glow of scented candles, with a playlist of soothing music filling the air. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about creating an experience. So grab those candles, hit play on some soft jazz and watch the magic unfold. Next, why not add a playful twist with some shower games? Think 20 questions or perhaps a cheeky game of truth or dare. It's all about laughter and connection. These games aren't just fun, they're a gateway to learning more about each other, sparking conversations that wouldn't happen anywhere else. And now for a touch of luxury, pamper each other. Take turns giving each other a gentle massage with a loofah or a dollop of your favorite shower gel. Feel the stress melt away under the warm stream of water as you deepen your connection, both physically and emotionally. But don't stop there. Use this private moment to share secrets or talk about your dreams. It's incredible how the intimate setting of a shower can make you feel safe and connected, ready to share your innermost thoughts. Lastly, as you rinse off, make sure to enjoy the simplicity of the warm water and the closeness of your partner. And before you step out, end with a meaningful kiss, a perfect seal to a beautiful shared experience. And there you have it. These steps aren't just activities, they are stepping stones to building a stronger, more intimate bond with your partner. So go ahead, give them a try and turn your shower time into an unforgettable romantic escape. Thanks for tuning in to Triple Dose. Until next time, keep finding those special moments.